Have you ever stood in front of an audience, ready to deliver your talk, but you don't feel like it mentally, physically, emotionally? I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. Today's topic is compartmentalization. Yes, it's a big word, and for good reason. We may be going through emotional trauma. We might have lost a family member, just gotten through an accident, or just not feeling physically up to par. Yet that audience that you're going to speak to is expecting the best from you. And so you have to learn how to compartmentalize, putting everything to the side that you're going through so that you can give your audience your best. It's a lot of mental work. And you have to train your mind and tell it, okay, this time is for my audience. I'll deal with you later. That takes practice. It is not an easy thing to do. And in fact, many performers can tell you, singers, dancers, authors, writers, business leaders, and so on, have to do this as well. But it's an important skill. How do you master the skill? Through preparation. You see, when you have practiced your talk or your workshop to a science, you are able to pass through your mental, physical, and emotional exhaustion and put it on the side because you know that you are well prepared. And also, it is the love for the craft that helps you. I love public speaking. And when I stand in front of my audience, I give them my all because of the love I have for the craft. And that is what helps me with compartmentalization. I am Margarita Estrada, teaching you how to connect emotionally while generating rewards. And remember, build your arsenal, break the barriers, stand up and dare to be the challenger, the initiator, and the change agent that you were meant to be. Until next time.